The Nollywood actor Kanayo O Kanayo recently introduced his son, Clinton Mbaise, to the film industry. Wow. Well, if Nollywood industry did not favor you, you won't bring your son to join. That is to say, you really made it in Nollywood industry. Congratulations, Kanayo O Kanayo. Kanayo O Kanayo is one of the oldest actors in Nollywood industry. People that made us happy those days, Just watch this video, you see what he said. According to him, he told his crew members, do not treat him like my son. It is a warning I'm giving to everybody. He is here to work. He is going to earn a fee like every other person. Do not begin to say, Kanayo O Kanayo's son. I know they for that kind of thing. Treat him as a member of the production crew. Wow. It's good. I love what this man did. At least for that child to learn too, because Kanayo O Kanayo learned. His father did not bring him. He came on his own and made it. So he wants his son to come and be independent and make it himself too. Congratulations, Kanayo O Kanayo. You are a great man. According to him, his son Clinton just graduated from Babcock University with a degree in information and communication technology. Wow. Congratulations, Clinton. Congratulations, Kanayo O Kanayo. So for bringing your child into Nollywood, that means you really made it. Congratulations. I pray God will protect you. God will protect your son. Anything that is happening in Nollywood, any bad thing that is happening there will not reach you people in Jesus' name. Amen. Congratulations once again. My people, just watch this video and hear it yourself.
This is Clinton, my first son, Onyeze Mbise.
Wow.
And he's joining us today as assistant production manager. He's assistant production manager and PA to me. Don't treat him like my son. It's a warning I'm giving to everybody. He's here to work. He's going to earn a fee like you are earning a fee. So don't begin to say, okay, son. I know they for that kind of thing. Treat him as production crew. If there's anything he's going to understudy you and learn this work. I hope you heard one say it. Treat him with respect to the extent that you are treating others with respect. That's what I want him to grow into. I don't want you to spoil my son for me when you see him doing bad. You're not telling him, no, don't do that, don't do that. It's not going to help production. So please, he's joining us today and he's just finished from Babcock University.
Wow.
So studied ICT. So I want us to welcome him.